Turned aside Kozin. Loose puck. Back comes Barron. Seattle clears. Up for Kolesar. Kolesar. Big hit thrown by Thrower at center ice. Then Elliott steps into Thrower and has a talk with him. Thrower looks at him like, get away from me. And now Thrower takes a challenge from Hickman, and they're going to go. So Josh Thrower and Justin Hickman. So Thrower going to throw him with Hickman. So Thrower's lost his helmet, and both have lost their helmets, and Thrower with a flurry of rights. Oh, and just a huge knock. Hickman comes back after taking two from Thrower. Thrower continues to throw him. So Hickman back with a right of his own, but Thrower really stung him. Hickman coming back on the back of the head, and now Thrower's got the right free again. Right in front of the American bench. So Thrower throwing him for sure, and that's that. Well, he took the challenge of the captain, and Thrower at 17, Hickman at 19, and Thrower said, I'll take that challenge any day. Jesse Astos gives him the fist bump. There's a new sheriff in town. So Thrower sends a big-time message right there at 13:25. Well, at my age, I'm old school. I like that, and I'll take that one any day. From that era. So Thrower, Elliott came by and said, I'm not going to bother with that. And then Hickman came by and said, okay, I'll take that. So Hickman, no shrinking violet for sure, and Thrower proving that as well at 13:25. But Thrower got two really big punches in about a quarter of the way into the fight and really stung Hickman. You could see him wince. Got 4 or 5 in a row, and Hickman, give him credit, came back. Now Hickman's going to get an extra minor here. So it gets interesting. The Americans go on the jack-in-the-box power play. So Hickman with an extra minor. They have an instigate. So whatever it is, Americans are getting a power play here. You get one here, and you're right back in the game. So trailing 3-1. By the way, in Everett, on the out-of-town scoreboard, Everett has won in overtime over Vancouver 2-1.